What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SVT Hair. I am a little sick, so please don't mind my voice. I'll probably end up doing a voiceover for this video. But the hair that I am installing today is from SVT Hair, and this is a 5x5 closure unit. I'm not sure of the inches. It might be 24 or 22, but of course I'll put all the hair specs in the description box. But basically I'm going to be installing this hair like glueless, like semi-glueless, because I'm using literally just foam and then a little bit of this EBIN active spray, tied down in pretty much one of the quickest closure installs you'll ever get. So yeah, before we get into the actual video, the hair just came with the regular hair bag. It came with some lashes and a wig cap, and all I did was bleach the knots and pluck it a little bit. You guys will see the full installation process, but before we get into that, I just wanted to tell you guys that this hair is some of the softest hair I've ever had in my life. Lace is A1. All I had to do was add a little bit of tinted moisturizer to it to make it look a little bit more like my skin tone, but other than that, it's super bomb. It curls perfectly. I didn't do anything crazy to it. I just kind of wanted to stay with the simple install, just because like this hair already lays so flat by itself, and I feel like I didn't have to do anything extra, and it looks good just with the simplistic look. So if you guys are interested in this install, stay tuned and keep. All right, so I'm back. My hair is, I use my Got To Be gel to slick back my edges. Got my hair braided back, and like I said, I just use the Got To Be gel to slick it back. This is the wig from SVT Hair. I just pretty much hot combed everything and kind of pulled out the baby hairs, and I'm going to show you guys the inside construction. But I believe this is like a 5x5 closure, which should be like very easy and very like fast to install. So I'm gonna show y'all the inside, and then we just gonna go right for it. And I'm gonna install using the EBIN Wonder Lace, and this is just the active red one. Bye.